you get this? Rocket check. Where'd you get this? Almost World? No way.
That's like the bestest movie, guys.
No way.
She doesn't get it.
I really want the Snuggie. I really want the Snuggie.
We gotta get this. It's the last of the builder.
I gotta get the Snuggie. I gotta get the Snuggie. You're kidding me.
Nope, she's not.
I got kicked in the nose today. Oh, my leg is so heavy. Walking like flying out my face and there's
Excuse me? Do you guys work here?
No, we don't work here. I'm sorry.
Where's
We're
the
kidding.
Can you guys help me find some
What?
things? That's bad service.
Like what?
You like my tattoos?
Walk by that guy. Come on, let's go. He was totally checking me out.
Hey, yo girl, have you seen the Proposal movie? Have you seen the Proposal movie? I asked you a question.
Yes.
Where? I want to know. Where?
Are you guys gonna beat me up if I don't tell you?
Yes.
Yeah!
You better tell us. We got motorcycles in front and we sure do know how to use them.
I don't really know, but oh my god!
Yeah, that's right. You better run.
No, stop, you guys.
Don't touch me.
Psych. Alright, so I don't think this girl works here because she has never heard of the dead syndrome.
Has anyone?
Yeah, I mean, I saw it in theaters last week. I mean, what are you talking about? I totally know that you've heard of this movie. I know you've heard of this movie before.
No.
Yes, you have. Don't argue with me.
Okay. I don't have this movie.
I'm done with you.